Welcome, Inventor users, to another I Get It Tech Tip. In this series, we'll be looking at 120 Autodesk Inventor tips. Number 19. Select Other Timing. As we mentioned in tip number 18, if we hover over an area in the graphics window, after a few seconds, the Select Other option will display. To control how long it takes for this to display, we can go to the Tools tab on the Options panel and select Application Options. On the Application Options dialog box, we'll select the General tab, and then under Selection, we have an option for Select Other Delay in Seconds. By default, it is set for 2 seconds. Entering a different value in this field will change the number of seconds of delay it takes for the Select Other dropdown to display. If we enter the word Off into this field, the Select Other display will be turned off and not be displayed at any point in the graphics window. Selecting Apply or OK will commit this change. And that's it. I hope to see you in another Inventor Tech Tip.